So Tania, we were talking earlier about the video, the strategy, right? How are we saving our clients taxes? How is financial saving them taxes? And one of the points that you were saying was retirement, how business owners are not planning and how the IRS has that code, right? For us business owners. So how can we optimize our retirement? What would be the advice for our business owners?
Yeah. So, that's a great question, Claudia. You're a business owner, myself as a business owner. I know we're young right now, but I think the younger you are, the better to start planning for retirement. If you're a young entrepreneur in your early 30s, even 20s, 40s, you need to start thinking about retirement. You need to start setting aside money for retirement. The beautiful thing what we do here at Herbert Financial is we guide you through the process of, instead of the money going to the IRS, we open the platform for your retirement plan. And we have many avenues to reduce your taxes and build that retirement and then eventually have income for the rest of your life. Obviously, the more taxes you pay, the more you're going to save in retirement, and the more money, the more wealth you're going to accumulate for those days when you're going to retire. You have that money sitting there waiting for you and have the income to age 100, 120, or to whatever years God allows you to live. So retirement is very important for a business owner, Claudia. And we see it, almost 75% of business owners don't think about that. Wow. It's only 25% they're thinking because they're closer to retirement and they think, oh, it's now for me to start planning. We tell business owners, do not wait, just do it now. Even if it's very little contribution, that's going to keep growing. We have seen business owners that they set aside money, very little, and then the business starts growing. Now they put hundreds of thousands of dollars. Now they are at retirement. They pass age 65. Now they're getting income for the rest of their lives. Just like the police officer or the firefighters or somebody that's working at the government that has this amazing pension. So what we help a business owner, Claudia, here at Herbert Financial is we help the business owner to create their own pension plan. So that's huge. And then with money that was already going anyways to the Treasury Department.
Yes.
So it's a big deal. When we do that, we're changing the business owner's life. They may not see it right now, but they're going to see it down on the road, like how millions of dollars they've been saving for retirement.
I like that. And that's such an important topic to talk about and really be raw and real. And I want to share a story, if I may. So I have this client, beautiful young lady. She was 30. Well, when I met her, was 36, beautiful. Argentina, hermosa, beautiful. And we were talking and you know how we always want to build rapport and really connect and really find the needs of the client, right? So one of the questions that I asked, I'm like, so are you married? Do you have children? She's like, no, Claudia. And her whole body changed. She was like, no, Claudia, I don't have children. And I'm like, oh, okay. And then she opened up and she said, you know, I'm 36, right? I'm like, yes. Well, my dad is 86. And he's sick, and 90% of his care, the cost of his care comes from my income. Oh, wow. So I know that if I have children, I wouldn't be able to help my dad. And my dad, I love my dad. And that got me thinking, because I'm a mama of 4 boys, you know, that got me thinking, like, I don't want to do that to my children. Yeah. I don't. I want to be a responsible parent, and I want to be that one person that it's listening to the experts. That if you're seeing this video, it's not a coincidence. You know, there's something that you're attracting, something that you need to hear this message, and not to be able to live your life because you're choosing to help your parents. That broke my heart. That really broke my heart. Yeah. She worked really hard. She was doing this, so many things just to be able to survive. And I don't know about you, but it happens to me that when I have, when I'm facing a challenge, sometimes I just narrow into the challenge and I'm not looking at the size. And unfortunately, sometimes we don't see the opportunities. So it's really, really big. So I like that retirement optimization.
It's very important because especially for business owners, they need to start thinking now. And one of the things is putting money back to the business is great, but also setting aside money for yourself. It's so important, just like putting back to the business. We come across with business owner, they have a net revenue of $500,000, let's say. And they say, so what are you going to do with the money? Oh, I want to put it back into the business. Yes, we want to grow the business. Obviously, that's a priority, but also a priority as a business owner is thinking about yourself and then creating this wealth, your retirement. And then the other thing is taking care of your health, which is one of your biggest wealth. And we tell a business owner when they come, let's focus. Number one, we need to focus on you, your health, your retirement, and then your business. Because your business is nothing without you. So your biggest wealth creation, it's you, your health, and that's your retirement, and then your well-being. And from there, the business will come. And that's the priority, and that's the message that we bring, Claudia, to the business owner. And we really encourage business owners to set aside for their retirement.
Well, I like this. This topic, it's an important topic, but I feel it's something that we really need to talk and really share. Yeah. And, it's something that people don't feel sometimes comfortable, but we're here to serve and we're here to empower business owners. And that's what we're doing with passion and with a smile. So we'll talk about next time the other topic.
Yes.
Yes. All righty.